About an hour after taking my iPhone X out of its box, I'm bouncing up and down as high as I can on a trampoline, trying to see how Face ID works under, let's say, less than ideal circumstances. I'm 8 feet in the air, sweating and grimacing, only half paying attention to the phone as I try not to break my legs on impact. I grab the phone, hold it up to my face, and try to focus. The first time, Face ID works great. It unlocks virtually instantly, as soon as I fix my eyes upon the TrueDepth camera and the notch around the iPhone X's screen. The second time, same deal. The third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh, nothing happens at all. When Face ID fails, it usually vibrates impatiently in your hand to tell you to try something else. But this time, nothing. So there I am in midair trying to thumb my passcode so I can take a selfie. Okay, so this isn't the most representative test. And so far, in the one day I've been using the phone, Face ID works far more often than not. But it definitely fails sometimes, and it's not always obvious why. Even setting it up came with a few false starts. When it works, the process only takes about 30 seconds, and all you have to do is move your head in a circle like you're stretching your neck before a good yoga session. But one time, the phone kept telling me to move it lower. Even when my head was already in the frame on the screen, I'd go a bit lower, and it would say, no, higher. I restarted the whole process, and it